Hi, it's Mike from Custom Cruisers. You can see here we've got some beautiful things going on. These are progressive, I believe, 712 shocks, which means they've got the flame covers. This is all like a billet cover under here, which unfortunately you can't see because the Virago thing, but you would normally. Billet cover on the bottom, okay, and the flame cover on the top. Very, very cool shocks. Very good ride as well. Progressive, got nitrogen charging, so you get a fantastic ride for your bike. These also available in baloney cut, which is basically like two of these things, like a scallop shape. And also you can obviously have all black, all chrome, black and chrome, top and bottom cut, no bottom cut, no top cut, whatever system you like. And we can actually tune these shocks for your weight. So in other words, if you're two 10-stone riders, you ain't going to need the same shocks as two 30-stone riders, which is very important because everyone says, oh, the Americans recommend this. Well, the Americans in general are a lot bigger than us. So you'll find a ride very hard, and we can actually make this ride perfect for you. If you're interested in any great shocks from Progressive, this is the 712s, give us a call, 01773835666, customcruisers.com, or the new site, customcruisers.eu. Thank you.